Hi, this is Michael. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trend Analysis for March 11th, 2013. It's now 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that the purpose of this daily review is to show you how I do my analysis, not to give you trading advice. The market continues to move up. All U.S. equity markets were green again today. Here's the price chart for the E-mini S&P 500 Index Futures. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where the markets are going. The S&P remains above 1528 and hit a new high of 1550 today. The S&P is bullish. The next resistance point of 1586 can be seen by the light pink oval. Support presently remains at 1468 because 1528 has not yet been tested. Support can be seen by the light green oval. Here's the US dollar index futures price chart. This is important because the dollar strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The US dollar index continues to be bullish. Price is going a bit sideways today. 83.65 is the next major resistance point, as seen by the light pink oval. Support remains at 81, as seen by the light green oval. Once a day after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do a review of all 28 Forex pair price charts, and this takes much less than 30 minutes per day. Here are Monday's results. In the table on the left, we'll make a notation when a pair has a green ADX. If the ADX is red, there isn't a trend, so we'll just put a dash. If the trend is bullish, this means the price is increasing, and we put a green up arrow. If the trend is bearish, it means the price is decreasing, and we put a red down arrow. We will then consolidate the information from the ADX table, and we'll note the strength of each currency in the table in the upper right. The strength can range from 0 to +7 for bullish, or from 0 to -7 for bearish. And in the lower right-hand corner, we'll list the Forex pairs that may be setting up for a trade. The whole purpose of this analysis is to choose the Forex pairs that have the highest probability of making a successful trade. So we'll match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies to make the best pairs to trade. Today we have 3 weak currencies and 3 strong currencies. I haven't used the pairs for the Canadian dollar or the Swiss franc. The potential pairs that I've listed are the Aussie, Japanese yen, the pound, Aussie dollar, the US dollar, Japanese yen, and the pound, US dollar. We currently have 2 open trades. The Aussie US dollar trade remains open and we're short 2 micros. The stop loss remains at 1.0311. Here's the price chart for the Aussie US dollar. Our second open trade is for the pound US dollar. We're short 2 micros, and the stop loss remains at 1.5210. Here's the price chart for the pound US dollar. We haven't placed any new orders today, but we're keeping an eye on 2 different pairs. The first is the Aussie yen, and here's the price chart for the Aussie yen. The second pair is the US dollar yen, and here's the price chart for the US dollar yen. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you'd like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page.